It followed me home.
The flood. It's spreading all over the city.
How do we contain it?
Find the crashed flood ship. Overload its engine. We either destroy the city or risk losing the entire planet.
Do it.
Chief, make your way to the crash site.
Look at them go.
Hmm?
In the distance there, he's just
Oh,
fucking
yeah.
1v fuck. Oh, he's he's dead. He's dead. Okay. So
Oh, we're going down there. Oh no, that's
we head this way.
yeah.
Not in the giant hole that's been
We
added.
haven't. No, we haven't. Oh no, it's pretty much at the start of the game. We haven't encountered flood yet.
Yeah, I know.
Multiple contacts. Unknown hostile.
Oh,
Wee!
Over there! Surrounded, Sergeant.
huh.
Dead chieftain. They are loud, shouty boys. Oh no, the trash fucking bins are gone. We can't hide in them anymore. This is bullshit.
Oh,
I demand a refund.
the
Fall
refund.
back! Fall back!
Sergeant, come on!
Oh my.
And they're all dead anyway. Look, I overshot.
Are they really nerfed? Oh, plasma grenades.
Yeah, they're coming over the walls. This is loud as fuck.
My lord, are you dead?
No, I'm alive. I was just running backwards.
Okay. Oh. Yeah. Can't we just jump? That's the way to do it. Oh. Need to invest in some plasma weapons. Saw one back here.
I did put my laser thing back.
Oh no, I got something.
My SMG thing. Oh, this thing's almost in the ammo. That sucks. Battle rifle, shotgun. We'll take a shotgun. Shotgun and a grab hammer. What can go wrong?
Hey!
Oh, the frames I'm eating.
Really?
That's a couple of them.
Oh, I don't have any grenades. That sucks. No.
One at a time, please. One at a time.
Oh, that works much better.
Oh yeah, plasma. Works well against flesh. I need to turn my volume down a bit afterwards. They are loud as fuck.
Yeah.
Alright, just give me half a second here. I need to game volume, put that down to 80. Yeah, we'll go with 80. That should be better. Yeah. I'm in a nice...
This little area.
Nice little jog through the complex. Bunch of dead corpses around. More
Hey, I got-
shotgun shells. Start the conga line! Get the fuck back here! Oh. Can't go through that way. I'm sad now. Eh!
Chief, I can't trust you anymore. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I was in touch.
Knows your what? Knows your what?
I don't know. I lost all consciousness. It wanted to kill me.
It knows your what? It just glitched out.
So, I don't like that way. But we can't go this way. So, looks like we're going that way.
Oh, I should probably swap to that. I don't have the ammo for that.
I didn't have a choice. The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected.
They weren't actually. None of them are infected. So
I could see it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin. Oh. And then they got up, started to talk. Oh God, their voices. Oh God, no, make them stop.
Yep. I think we should put the guy in this mission.
no, he's fine. He'll live on land.
I did them a
Yeah,
favor.
he'll live on. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I helped them.
Look, I brought him back to his senses.
Maybe I need to help myself. Maybe I need to...
Oh, maybe? No, okay. Wait.
Okay, he's not rambling incoherently now.
I saved him.
There we go. We saved him. Yes.
I mean, he was debating whether or not he should do it himself, so
Yeah.
we made him not have a choice. Oh, that elite just jumped off a cliff. And so did that one.
Oh, yeah. But yeah, we're not
They're
dealing with
alive!
this. Huh?
They're alive down there!
Oh my lord, what?
I can see them! Look at them! In the mist, they live! And now they're just having Flood fall off after them.
Yeah?
They're just having a battle down there.
Uh-huh.
I remember there used to be more land here. I don't remember what happened. It's sort of gone now, but... do you want an energy sword? Oh, okay, I fell down. Want an energy sword or a grab hammer?
Take an energy sword.
It's up top there.
Alright. How do I get up there?
Stand on my head if you can. Nope. Alright, well, yeah, just stand on this lip here. and then jump up and grab
Okay.
it. Okay. Because I was up there, but
Oh, okay.
yeah. On one day.
Oh.
It's right on the lip here.
Yeah, no,
There
I got
you
it.
go.
Oh, that looks very bright in this in Halo 3.
Hey, look! I love body bags! Sacks of meat jumping at me.
Oh. Yeah, those are the ones that I run after. I remember we played Halo 2, or Halo 1 and 2, and I'm like, did the exploding guys
Oh, absolutely.
explode a lot more? But,
They explode so much more in this game.
yeah. Oh.
Oh, there's more down there. I don't care about them. Eat grenade, asshole! Well, that's good enough.
It did. It's chocolate.
I'm dead, by the way. They kind of hurt.
Yeah, they do.
And I'm back. Alright, where's my weapons? Excellent. My very close range, terrible at far range weapons. I love the way they just fall apart.
Chief, the elites are looking for something. We didn't believe them when they told us.
Oh, it's one of these boys. Look at them go.
What? Oh, I found a cool thing. Oh, do we get to go on the ship? I found a flamethrower, so that's good.
Armored casket? They actually called me that? Oh, that's awesome. Run them down! Fire really hurts in this game.
Hmm?
Oh, just
I can
fire
see that.
absolutely shred. That's just energy sword area there.
Give me that energy sword.
One day you'll get it.
Oh, fire hurts B. Okay.
Fire hurts a lot. To everybody.
Yeah. Oh, that's a big guy.
Oh yeah, she's the fucking flamethrower.
Yeah.
Yeah, all you have to do is tap that thing and things die.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right.
Ow! Fucking bastard on the ceiling. Cower all you like. Where's my grab hammer? Ow, fire. Grab hammer. There you are. I just can't deal with those wall crawlers.
Mm.
Found you.
Oh.
Fucking wall crawler, man. They've got the ranged ones, they've got the tank ones, they've got the speedy boys.
Are you jumping in there?
Yep, this bright ass hole.
Right.
Welcome to the disgusting infestation of biomass.
Yes.
There's another
Alright.
sword here.
I already got one.
Alright, this one's more so.
Oh.
Do not.
Everyone's favorite mechanic in this game.
I am peace. I am salvation.
Over energy swords, there's a trail. I hate this ship. Fucking nasty.
Yeah.
Look at this pulsating fucking. Little pus balls
Ew.
filled with infected. Run into my shield, you little bastards. Oh, since I don't have shield, they actually hurt. Oh god, since I don't have shield, they actually hurt. So don't hit those fucking pus balls. I can't really deal with those. Got it. Fucking shitbag. I don't like it.
I am a timeless chorus. Join your voice with mine and sing victory everlasting.
Don't worry, we'll only get like 15 more of those, so. Fine. Well, it's also, this place is a fucking maze sometimes.
Hmm.
Where am I supposed to go? Is there an anus nearby?
Is there an anus nearby?
Oh, we have to retrieve Cortana. This, okay. My bad.
Chief,
Cortana?
High Charity, the Prophet's holy city is on.
Cortana.
Reclaimer. I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further
Wait.
trauma.
Leave her alone.
If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index, and you were going to destroy my installation. You did destroy my installation. Now I have only one function, to help you, Reclaimer, as I always should have done.
Very trustworthy.
Yeah. Like how he just goes, oh, okay, and then just gives it up.
Time to glass the planet.
Yeah.
Because a single flood spore can eliminate a
Negative,
planet.
Oracle. Can it be saved?
Uncertain. This storage device has suffered considerable trauma. Its matrices are highly unstable.
Perhaps one of our technicians.
That will not be necessary.
Chief.
Success!
Hi, Charity. The Prophet's holy city is on its way to Earth, with an army of Flood. I can't tell you everything. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows I'm in the system.
It's just a message.
Let it play.
But it doesn't know about the portal, where it leads. On the other side, there's a solution, a way to stop the Flood, without firing the remaining Halo rings. Oh! Hurry, Chief. The Ark. There isn't much time.
I'm sorry.
No matter, Oracle. We've heard enough. Our fight is through the portal. With the brutes and the bastard truth.
Fine. We'll remain here. Hold out as long as we can.
Did you not hear? Your world is doomed. A flood army, a Gravemind, has you in its sights. You barely survived a small contamination.
And you, shipmaster, just glassed half a continent. Maybe the Flood isn't all I should be worried about.
One single flood spore can destroy a species. Were it not for the Arbiter's Council, I would have glassed your entire planet.
Sir, with respect, Cortana has a solution.
Cortana? Did you see her condition? How damaged she is? She could be corrupted for all we know. Her solution could be a Flood trap.
We should go through the portal. Find out for sure.
What we should do, Commander, is understand, clearly, that this is humanity's final stand. Here, at Earth. We go, we risk everything. Every last man, woman, and child. If we stand our ground, we might just have a chance.
No. If your construct is wrong, then the Flood is already won.
I'll find Cortana's solution. And I'll bring it back.
Earth is all we have left. You trust Cortana that much?
Sir. Yes, sir.
This is either the best decision you've ever made or the worst. Hell of it is, Chief. I doubt I'll live long enough to find out which.
That's a sight to see. The Arbiter with a rocket launcher and a flamethrower. I don't know why they were grabbing those weapons, but